So I have here this diffuser for car. I don't know which car it's for, but it looks like it's a kit for any car. So we can try to make this one with the brush surfacing tools and Solidworks. So let's go ahead and start with creating plan surface. Okay, now from the back I should see it, flip it like that. And I'm going to start to extrude it to take this shape as you see in here. So it's obviously would be like that, and we're gonna extrude from it. Let me show you how. So a couple of extrudes here, and I'm gonna do a mirror. So I just delete this, and I need to mirror from here. Okay, now I'm just gonna modify this one. So as you see, it's little curvature here, and then it's going until down. And from here it's like that. And from the top alright, that looks good. That looks great. Now let's see the rest of it. I'm going to do an extrude from here. Select this top at corners, and let's scale a little inside, a little down, then increase it, maybe 55, and extrude it. Let's take these like that. Then I'm going to extrude again with the creasing. Crease this about 50 and bevel inside. And again, let's extrude, scale, move at here. Now I'm going to adjust this. Then I can just go ahead and select this arrow here and move it to the ground. So I'm gonna modify it later. Take these, it's from the right side. And let's move it a little up. So from here, let's cut something like that. So I'm gonna delete these faces, insert an edge here. You're probably gonna get something like that. Alright, so you just start to get a nice results. Then this should be extruded to inside with creasing, maybe 45, and extrude again. Okay, once we just did that, I can select this edges and crease it. So it's giving me sort of hard corner here. This one is unnecessary. Let's delete it. And now if you just look at the picture here, you're gonna see it's little distance between this and the cut here. Let's make that. I'm gonna take this face and move it up. You can move it a little. Okay, and this one is also creased. Let's insert an edge here and connect it. And I'm gonna add some more details here. Insert an edge. Let me just modify this one. So I'm gonna put the lines like that. And I'm going to select these, crease it, maybe 45, take these and move it here. Yeah, you should do some more lines here because it's giving a flat. It's giving a flat look from here. Let me show you like that. As you've seen, you're gonna notice that it's here semi-flat. It's not really set. So let's go back. I'm gonna select this one, this edge loop here, and crease it about 22 or 24. Take these and move it. And now I'm just going to crease this and move it like that. I can select a soft selection, just increase it and move it like that, so it gives me this look. Then let's take this edge loop without the soft selection, flat, and move it until here. And about this one, it's also going to be flat, maybe like that. Insert an edge here by holding the A key. Okay. Let's hide this. Move this like that. Okay, so now we started to get a nice shape that exactly looks like the picture. We're just going to add a curvature here. Let's connect these vertices like that. Now I'm going to take this, turn on the soft selection, let's just decrease it, and let's do that. Let's remove the soft selection here. Now we got this loop faces. This faces here, if we just take it and move it up to here, it's gonna give us a great effect. Just decrease this creasing. I'm going to do a flat. Let's make these flat. This one also. Maybe move a little here. I'm going to crease this edge also, give it a little creasing, something like that. Alright, let's see the top. So as you see, we just need to move this on here. And delete this. Insert an edge, connect these. And let's add a crease to just make them all the same here. I'm gonna crease this line. So I have here 18 crease. I'm gonna do the same on this one. Type 17 and press on this arrow to activate the creasing. Okay. So it looks pretty well now. Now let's take that, because this is not creased until the end. Insert the edge. And let's do that. Let's fix this topology here. You can choose the constraint move, so it's just move it slightly cool. Let's modify that. So for this one, I'm just going to remove the creasing for it. So it's gonna be looks like that. And I'm gonna connect the crease together to be the same. Here it's 18. Let's make an 18 here. And let's remove this crease. Remove the constraint move. Uncheck and connect. All right. So it's pretty cool here. So that front, let's edit some lines. Let's connect it from here. I can take these two vertices and move with the constrained move here, a little like that. And let's adjust these. If we just can crease this also, maybe 18. Let's move the constraint. Okay, so that's for the first part of the diffuser. Now what I will do is click on convert, and I'm going to create another board with the board surfacing. So let's insert a new planar surface. Hit OK and rotate it 90 degrees. So the look should be a little like that. Let's extrude this. Or maybe you can just delete these faces and rotate it 90 degrees like that. And now I'm going to select this, do that. And let's just make it a little thinner. From here, select the element selection, and I can put it here. We do have here about 2 and 2 is 4. And let's just adjust this one. So from the side, it should be a little like that. So if I just select this subty mode, this lines should be creased like that. This edge loop also. We're just going to select this faces, rotate a little, and I'm going to close this. So select these lines and hold the A key, extrude and merge. This one was this one, and that was that. Crease these edge loops. Like that. I'm gonna select the soft selection so I can move it like that. Okay, so this looks good now. We just need to make these faces flat. Accept that and flat them. Rotate. Now once I just finished that, I'm going to select the element and copy, move here, and let's take these two, copy, move here. It should be right here. Maybe if we just take these, let's move this here and this one here. Okay, so after I just finished that, let me just crease this edges, maybe 45, and I'm going to convert. Let's go back, futures, manual override, let's make quality about 4. Maybe subdivide. Alright, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go back to this board and I need to thickness it. So this should be on the X, it's 1405 millimeters. So I think we just need to increase it a little more. Maybe 2 millimeters like that. Let's see how it's gonna be look like. We just need to make it a solid body. So now I have one surface and it's still not solid. Let's go back, edit, and future, manual override, 3 and 5. So we pretty much now have ability to combine them. We now have all solid bodies and I can combine. So let's combine all the bodies, hit OK. Now we have combined parts. Okay, now I can take the fillet and fillet these here. We're going to make a little small fillet here, maybe 1 millimeters or 2, and hit OK. Now I need to do an extrude cut, or maybe let's do that. And for the right plane, I'm gonna do extrude cut here. Actually, let's edit the pore surfacing so it would be better. We just need to take these, maybe with a soft selection. Now let's remove these and reinsert. Hit OK, and we're done. We just refill it. This one, and this one, and that one. Let's add a material. Plastic soft touch, Extrude. We probably have the carbon fiber here. So the full body, and let's adjust the mapping. Something like that. Then we go to the next part, and it's to create the Solidworks stuff. From the front plan, here exactly, click OK, and then sketch. Then let's create something like a rectangle. And actually it should be converted to entity and trim. So let's add a dimension here. Okay, future extrude, reverse to body. Okay, let's do the offset. Okay. Now I'm going to fill it. Six millimeters and sketch from the top plan. I just need to make it bigger. Now from the top, sketch. Let's offset this one. Reverse 3 millimeters, 5. Okay, 5 is good. Then extrude cut. I can fully this here. Maybe 3 millimeters. It's okay. Now let's mirror these. Let's create a plan here and mirror. Futures this. Mirror plan is this one. And mirror again. The futures mirror is the cut extrude and this cut extrude. Okay. And you just forgot to bake the fillets. Okay. Now let's insert a new plan. And sketch. I'm going to convert this to curves, to entity, and I'm going to select Okay. Now I'm gonna just, on the right plan, I'm gonna sketch, convert this to entities, and offset. Reverse. Now hit OK. Now let's trim these unnecessary stuff. You choose extrude cut. It's gonna be blind. Let's offset. And from here until here. Okay. Now let's fill it. On two sides, like that. And insert a new plan here. Sketch. Let's try if we just offset this one, reverse. Use 3 millimeters. -3. And this one, offset. -3. Or reverse. Features extrude cut. Okay. Yeah, we just got this one here. I'm just going to try to mirror. Let's hit the mirror button. Select the plane 2. Future is going to be these. Now you got it on both sides. Let's hide, view, perspective. Now you got a nice industrial kit for a car. Maybe it's not exactly like it, but it's pretty close to the shape. If you just notice, we just forgot something here. For this lamp, I can insert these with the extrude. So if you just go back, let's edit this board. And before we do the thickness, let's just undo. Okay. Now we can just extrude by subdivide first and insert small thing here. Insert an edge here and crease this, maybe 40, and extrude, bevel, crease again, and this is like that. I'm going to crease this corners also. Boom, you got the shape. This road just a little goes here. and the other one like that. Delete this. Crease, extrude bevel, and I'm going to extrude here and another extrude. Let's merge these entities with each other like that and like that. Before you just merge this with at the center here, insert a new edge here, maybe from here to here, and select both, merge, and this was this one. Then you can easily remove this and connect them. Use the constrained move and let's adjust these things here. Okay. I'm gonna delete some stuff here. Don't actually need it. And these corners, let's crease them. Take these faces, increase them also. That's it. However, you just need to just crease it this little vertex and it looks better. I think we now don't need this anymore. Let's now resect this towards 3 millimeters, -3. Let's hope everything goes well.